Welcome everyone, I'm Alison with Continental Bead Suppliers. Thank you so much for joining me today. Pearl drop necklace is a beautifully simple adornment. It's casual enough to be paired with a crisp white shirt and faded jeans, or it has the formality to be worn with your favourite little black dress. This timeless Y necklace is sure to become a firm favourite among your go-to accessories. Let's begin. For pearl drop necklace we will be using approximately 24 inches of the 11 by 4.25mm paperclip cable chain. The part number is CH-931. This will be cut into 8 7-link lengths, 1 3-link length and 2 single link pieces. We'll be using one 12 by 7mm Lobster clasp. The part number is C902. One 4mm 21 gauge jump ring. Part number is J/R4. One 2-inch 20 gauge head pin. Part number is H/P2. 10 2-inch 20 gauge eye pins. Part number is E/P2. One 10mm bead, one 8mm bead, and 9 6mm beads. Now these happen to be crystal pearls. You can use any bead that you want, but these are the sizes that we'll be looking for. One pair of round nose pliers, 2 pairs of flat nose pliers, and a flush cutter. We'll begin by creating 8 connectors using the 6mm beads and these eye pins. So the first eye pin, load on one of the 6mm beads. We're just going to form an open loop, and the way that I do that is just by using my nail to create a 90-degree angle here. Trim this down. You can see I have my pliers marked. Let's push that down to there. And this is the first connector. I would like the connectors loops to line up, so I just need to move that round a second with the flat nose pliers, just so that they're both lying in the same direction. So that's the first one. Whoops. Second one here. Trim that down again. Here we go. Once again, this is just, I'm slightly off with the way that that's sitting, so just use your flat nose pliers. So that's the second one done. And I'll just continue on with these other ones. We're going to take the first of the 7 link lengths of chain and one of these little connectors, open up the loop and attach to one end of the chain and close this back up. And on the opposite end we'll do the same thing and open this loop and attach the second length of 7 links and close this up. I've got this started here. We'll take the next link and open that up and attach to this end of the chain. Another 7 link length will go on here. Oops, let's open that a little bit further. Close this up. And we'll continue on until we have 4 of these 7 link lengths. So another connector here. Attach this on. So here we have the 4 lengths of the 7 link chain. The next thing that we're going to do is add one more connector. On this end. Then we'll add a 3 link length because this is going to be going at the back of the neck. So let's take this little 3 link piece here, open up the connector once again on this end. There we go. Another connector. And then we're going to begin using these 4 link length, the 7 link lengths, sorry, down for the other side. So I'll come back once I've got these ones connected, okay? So I'm going to add the last 7 link length to the chain that we've created here. So using the last 6mm connector, we'll put this on here. Connect this on. And on the end of this piece of chain, we're going to attach the little 4mm jump ring and the lobster claw. So let's see. Where the opening is here. On there. We're going to go back to this opposite end now and connect these other pieces. So the first thing I'd need to do is to create another connector with the pearls. So I'm going to use the 10mm bead here. So we'll put it onto this eye pin and create another connector point. So just doing this exactly the same way. So we're going to connect this onto the chain here. On this end, we're going to connect a single link. So this will just slip on here like that. Then I'm going to create another connector using the 8mm bead that we've got here onto the last eye pin. Just trim this down. So that will get connected onto the single link here. On the opposite end of this one, we're going to connect the last single link. Like that. So you can see how this is all coming together. The last little bit is the remaining 6mm bead here. So that's going to go onto the head pin. And we're going to create an open loop on this end. And it's just done the same way that I was doing the connectors, only we have to make one loop here. So this is just acting as a little charm, really. So that's the little bead that we've got here, and that's going to go onto this last link. So you can actually connect this lobster claw to anywhere along this line of the 7 links that are closest to the 3 different sizes of pearls here, and it makes a really sweet little Y necklace. The pearls won't line up as far as the patterning is concerned. You can see that they're kind of going opposites. It works, just looks so pretty that it works really nicely. The other thing that you can do is that this length can be changed and turned into something else. So let me show you that. It's always fun with the measurements that I've given you for this necklace, so you can turn it into something else. And in this case, it's a little stacked bracelet. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. As always, we love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.